Good morning everyone. My name is Surbhi Monga. I am a corporate advisor by profession. I work mainly for SME sector and I have an experience of around 7 years. I have used tools, Six Sigma tools like Business Charter, CTQ Drill Down, QFT, CCR, VOC, and I've seen impeccable results using them. Especially like Business Charter to begin with, it is very helpful in convincing the clients for undertaking the projects. It has helped me extensively design smart goals. RACI table has helped define roles and responsibilities for the team and has brought in a lot of role clarity. CTQ drill down and problem definition tree and QFT are probably my favorite tools so far. I have used them extensively in pharma sector, in banking sector, in education management, call centers, and I have seen their results very quickly. Especially for MF sector, microfinance sector, I would like to say CTQ drill down and QFT are usually used for improving the processes. I have used these tools not for improvement only but also for designing new processes. For microfinance sector, I have used CTQ drill down and QFT to identify critical X's like the transaction time between head office and branch offices, fundraising, loan disbursement period, and so on, which has helped me identify the important critical X's and their interrelationship between. Keeping that in mind, we were able to design processes which were like the first time right processes. In pharma sector, I have used CTQ drill down, I have used QFT, and I have also used tools like VOC, etc., which have helped me, which were like, my client was facing a problem of low sales, which was resulting in poor profitability. Using these tools, we were able to identify the important aspects like limited product range, like inappropriate territory coverage, lack of skilled HR. Finding these critical X's, we were able to address them well on time and precisely using various tools like hypothesis testing and stuff, which has helped us achieve 35% increased profitability. Pharma, I have used problem definition tree along with CTQ drill down and affinity diagrams, and also used various data related statistical techniques like CP, CPK, FME, etc., which have helped me to increase the profitability of my client up to 100%. In call center, BPO sector, my client was facing a problem of low conversion rate, which resulted into low profitability also. Using CTQ drill down, logical validation, CNE diagrams, and hypothesis testing, we were able to not only identify the critical X's but also find their solutions, appropriate solutions, which increased the profitability by 35%. Using tools like prioritization matrix, CCR, goal means diagram, PDTs, and witness, I have witnessed remarkable results, not only in sectors like pharma, call centers, but also in sectors like education and education management. I have been able to use these tools in education and education management and increase the number of admissions. These tools have been exceptionally helpful in helping me set up the distance education wing for the university as well. CCR has been an impeccable tool for retail sector and has helped us achieve unrealistic profit margins and business growth. Process designing and process quality management for various sectors like banking sector, education, retail, BPO has been made very easy by various graphical tools like ANOVA, sample t-tests, correlation regression, VA and VA identification, FME, and so on. Six Sigma has helped me achieve high performance levels in various sectors, and I look forward to using Six Sigma methodologies and lean management methodologies more extensively in my pursuit for perfection. After enhancing my knowledge with Black Belt certification, I plan to use advanced hypothesis testing for enhancing sales in pharma sector by identifying the critical X's and their mutual interrelationship more accurately. I also plan to use DOA in retail, education and banking sectors along with call centers also to optimize operations and marketing plans. My Six Sigma journey started with Green Belt certification. Now I am pursuing my Black Belt certification, and I plan to take it forward with lean management and Master Black Belt also. The message that I would like to give to my viewers is that I have seen most of us, we always try to identify Black Belt and Green Belt projects and end up saying that there are not enough projects in the industry, or we are not given enough chances. I would rather like to suggest that if we start using the methodologies, the Six Sigma methodologies and the tools in whatever we are doing, in whatever projects we are involved in, still we can see the miraculous results. And Six Sigma is like, according to me, not only about the Six Sigma projects, but it's about improving whatever we are doing, enhancing the quality of what we are doing and increasing productivity. I feel it is like of immense use in all our professional endeavors, whatever small projects we are part of, whatever processes we design or improve. And also I personally would say, after the Six Sigma certification, I'm a better person, I'm a better individual, a more efficient person on my personal aspect also, as along with my professional aspect.